There are 7 foods that can help reduce inflammation in your body, that can help boost your immunity, and can help reduce pain. And I cannot wait to share with you right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Danette May TV, where everyone is welcome and we get real and honest around empowering ourselves to live our best lives. And today, I'm sharing 7 foods that you can consume right now to feel amazing. You wanna get started on this? These foods actually affect your microbiome. You might be going, what is a microbiome, Danette? Let me tell you, they're saying it's like the second brain. I'm telling you, the microbiome affects everything inside your system, from your libido, to your energy, to your depression, to your anxiety. Microbiome and using foods to really create healthy bacteria in your gut and non-inflammatory foods in your gut is the key to getting you to that next level of feeling amazing inside this little suit you have that's showing around the world. Let's get started on these top 7 foods that you can start incorporating right now. I cannot wait. The first one is probably some of your guys' favorites, which is berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, boysenberries, all really, really beneficial for helping that microbiome. Beets, yeah, raw beets. And a lot of people are like, ugh, I don't like raw beets. But I'm telling you, my #1 recipe that everyone loves incorporates raw beets, and it will become your favorite recipe as well. I share it all in my gut health reset program, so don't worry, you don't have to come up with these recipes, I got you. The next one is my all-time favorite. If you love chocolate, you're in good hands with me, because this is so good for your gut microbiome, because what it does is it has raw ceremonial gray cacao infused with 7 superfoods. And all of these are loaded with nutrients. They help decrease inflammation and actually add to helping with that microbiome that really turns on the activity inside the cells. Then we've got leafy greens. We all know these are, you're not getting away from the leafy greens. We gotta get the leafy greens in here, but I show you how to do it in a way that's actually delicious, how you can hide them and create amazing dishes with them. The other ingredients, turmeric, ginger, and a really good probiotic. Now you can add turmeric and ginger to smoothies, to different dishes. For people like me that are busy and I've got kids out and about, we take it in supplement form, organic, highest grade, turmeric and ginger. Every single day this happens. Probiotic, now why a probiotic? A pro and prebiotic is going to actually create a healthy bacteria inside of your gut. What happens when we take antibiotics, or when our system is low, antibiotics or immune system's low, the probiotic, the healthy bacteria is gone. What we want to do is replace that. This is actually really good. This is going to actually decrease cravings, increase energy, and can help with your immunity. So you can get it in spice form every single day, or you can take it in pill form, but these are my go-to ingredients, and I've got you, because I've got a full program called the Gut Health Reset Program. I spent over a year working on this program, tested it out on so many people. It is revolutionary and really helping build a beautiful microbiome inside of your body, as well as really helping you with your mind, how you can actually increase better sleep, how to do it naturally. I share with you mindset meditations you can do to reduce stress, because that affects the microbiome, as well as a workout so that you're optimally primed. I did not leave anything out inside of this program. So I will list all these ingredients below, and also the link to the Gut Health Reset Program. You're not going to want to miss this. I love sharing this information with you. I'm sending you all my love in the comments below. If you've done the Gut Health Reset, please share with all of us your results, what you received from it. We love hearing from you. Sending you all my love. Until I see you next time on Danette May TV.